Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Solflare wallet to a bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Solflare wallet app. On the homepage, you will see your wallet balance at the top, along with options like receive, buy, swap, stake, and send. If you tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner, you will notice there is no direct option to withdraw funds to a bank account. To withdraw your funds, you need to transfer your Solana or other assets to an exchange that allows bank withdrawals. For example, if you want to withdraw using Binance, tap the Send button, then paste your Binance deposit address in the designated section. To get the address, open Binance and go to the Assets tab from the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Add Funds. Here, search and choose Solana from the list, and then select the network as Solana. Once done, copy the wallet address and paste it into Solflare. Next, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, your assets will appear in your Binance account. From there, link your bank account, sell your assets, and withdraw the funds directly to your bank. As of now, this is the only method to withdraw funds from Solflare wallet to a bank account. So that's basically how you can withdraw from Solflare wallet to a bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.